Stop. If you're thinking about buying Sol AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't just another chatbot. It's a do-it-all AI platform powered by GPT 5.6 SOL, the same $300 month ChatGPT Pro plan, now available for a one-time low fee. Most people are stuck paying monthly for ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Grok. SOL AI combines 80+ premium AI models, GPT 5.5 Pro, Sora 2 Pro, ChatGPT Images 1.5, Deep Research, GPT Audio, Whisper, Real-Time, and more, all inside one dashboard with unlimited access. And if you grab SOL AI through my link below this video, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599 free. Now, let's get started. What is SOL AI? It's a cloud-based AI suite that generates content, code, images, videos, music, websites, funnels, and even full apps, all from simple text or voice prompts. No subscriptions, no limits. Commercial rights included. Benefits. Why people are interested. All in one power. 80+ AI models in one platform. Unlimited usage. No caps, no monthly fees. Commercial license. Sell outputs to clients and keep 100% profit. Beginner-friendly. Just log in. Type, speak, and create. Versatility. Write books, build apps, generate videos, design graphics, compose music, and more. Inside Sol AI, you're getting GPT 5.6 SOL plus GPT 5.5 Pro, Sora 2 Pro for video generation, ChatGPT Images 1.5 for design and editing, Deep Research for essays and books, GPT Audio for music and voiceovers, Real-Time for affiliate websites, Whisper for voice-to-content creation, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros. Writing, coding, graphics, video, and marketing, all in one dashboard. Cloud-based. No installs. Works on any device. Commercial license. Create for clients or personal projects with full rights. One-time pricing. Lifetime access. No monthly fees. Cons. Results still depends on your ideas, review process, and application. AI outputs should be checked before publishing. Results. What to expect. SOL AI won't make you rich overnight. What it does: speeds up content creation, reduces repetitive work, builds websites, generates marketing assets, creates videos, writes code, and produces digital products more efficiently. Affiliate marketers, promotional content, websites, emails, and funnels. YouTubers, scripts, graphics, and planning support. Freelancers, faster delivery of creative work for clients. Entrepreneurs, simplifies workflows and consolidates tools. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab Sol AI through the link below. Bonus 1, AI Business Prompt Pack, $299 value, 300+ prompts for sales pages, ads, emails, blogs, and funnels. Bonus 2, AI Income Blueprint, $300 value, step-by-step guide to monetize SOL AI outputs and build recurring income streams. Total bonus value, $599. Yours free when you get Sol AI through my link today. So, is Sol AI worth it? If you want unlimited access to OpenAI's best models without paying $300 a month, then yes, SOL AI is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete AI business engine. Click the first link in the description to secure SOL AI, plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.